Hi, boys and girls. So today I'm going to go over the science review with you. Your test is going to be on Thursday this week. So here's the science review, animal and plant relationships. So here are some vocabulary words to know. Investigate. It means to try to learn more about something. So if you are trying to figure out more about any certain topic, you might want to investigate more about it. Habitat means it's the place where an animal or plant lives and grows. Observe means to use any of the five senses, whether it's your sight, so your eyes to see, your ears to hear, your nose to smell, your tongue to taste, or your hands or bodies to touch to learn more about something. Observe, we usually observe with our eyes, but we can also use our other senses. Seed is a young plant that has not yet started to grow. Sprout means, if you look at the picture here, it means to grow, start to grow from a seed. And remember how we did, we sprouted our bodies? Okay, so just like we pretended we were seeds and we sprouted into a full-grown plant, that's what sprout means. Disperse means to spread around. So if you take a look at all these seeds, they're spreading and they're scattering all around. System is a group of parts that work together. The plants are a system because each part of the plant works together, just like our body. Our body's a system. We have different body parts that work together. Leaves are the flat green plant parts that catch light. Roots are the underground plant parts that take in water. It soaks up all the water. There are 5 things plants need. Plants need sunlight or some type of light. They need nutrients or soil or food. They need air. They need space in order to grow. And they also need water. Seed dispersal. Why do seeds need to disperse? Why do they need to be spread out? Well, all plants need water, sun, and space in order to grow. And a seed cannot get the things it needs to grow if it falls immediately below the full-grown plant, because all the resources like space, sun, water in that location, they're already being used by that plant. So, seeds need to get to a new location in order to find the resources necessary in order to grow. And this relocation, when they move to another spot or when they're spread out, is called dispersal. Can you say dispersal? Seeds need animals, wind, and water to move from one place to another, because you know seeds do not have feet and they can't walk. So they need these things in order to move and be dispersed. So here is a diagram of a seed, and it starts out as a seed. As it gets water and sunlight and the nutrients and things that it needs, it starts to root. This is called the rooting process. Then it continues and it starts to sprout, and this is the sprouting process. And when it's done here, it grows into a full-grown plant. Seed survival. We're going to look at these 3 seeds. 3 seeds from the fruit tree moved away from the tree. Here's seed 1, seed 2, seed 3. Now, which one of these 3 seeds do you think will survive? Let's take a look at seed 1. Seed 1 cannot grow because it does not have space. Why doesn't it have space? Well, the roots from the other plant is taking up the space. So because this root is taking up this space here, it's going to get all the water it needs, and this seed won't be able to grow. Let's take a look at seed number 2. Seed 2 has sunlight, it has the space, and it will have enough water when it rains. So do you think seed 2 will be able to survive? Now let's take a look at seed 3. Seed 3 cannot grow. Why not? Because it's in the shade. It will not get enough sunlight, and it was planted in the shade of this tree. So taking a look at these 3 seeds, which one do you think will be able to survive and grow? If you said seed 2, you are correct. So now taking a look at these are just, again, review. Okay, and just remember what flowers are, what the seeds are, what the leaves are, what stems are, and what roots are, and what they all do. Good luck!